invite you to bring your attention kind of like you're scanning your body from head to toe down into your feet, feeling into your feet. Can you feel the heaviness of your feet? Can you feel all four corners of the feet on your floor, on the floor? Sensing into something that is neutral, like your feet, brings your attention into right here. It may seem silly, but if your mind is focused on your feet, it's not planning for tomorrow. It's not worrying about yesterday. It's not frustrated with children. It's right here in your feet. And it gives your mind a break. So focusing on the sensation you may feel in your feet, feeling the balls of the feet, drawing your attention into your ankles, releasing all of the tension you might feel in your ankles, moving up to your calves, relaxing your kneecaps, thighs, sensing into the pelvis and releasing any tension that may be there. Continuing to scan and bring your attention to your lower back, relaxing the muscles in the abdomen, ribs, continuing to move up, relaxing any tension in the collarbone and the shoulders, releasing any tightness in the neck and the ears. It may be strange feeling into your ears, but they're always there. Relaxing all the tiny muscles around your eyes, dropping the cheeks, relaxing the jaw, and tuning in to what may be present for you in this moment. What feeling can you sense is there? Is there a sense of something pleasant, neutral, or unpleasant? Just noticing what you feel, not trying to change it. You may be aware of something you weren't aware of before. And then perhaps noticing if that feeling has a location somewhere in your body. We literally feel what we feel first, like a flutter in our stomach, tightness in our chest. So feeling into what is present for you right now. Just allowing the feeling to be there, noting what it is. And this moment is a gift. Children around, stress, things to get to next. Just this moment is a gift. As we close this meditation, bring something to mind that you're grateful for. It is November. A person, a place, a thing that brings you joy. Could be something small or big. And just say to yourself, thank you. Savor this moment of appreciation. Time with yourself and gratitude for what you love. invite you to bring some movement to your body and open your eyes when you're ready. Perhaps a shoulder roll or a neck roll. Stretch. How was that experience for you? Go ahead. How was that experience for you? It felt great? I'll take it. Okay. Student said it felt great. I'll take it. Anyone else? How was that for you? What was cool? What was weird? What was hard? I saw some folks having a hard time closing their eyes or stop giggling. There was a giggle fest going on over there. What was weird for you, ladies? Go ahead, you're the speaker. Go for it. What was weird? Can't hear you. You don't know what was weird? Did you try it? Yes? Okay. Did you like it? Okay. Okay, I'll take it. Go for it, Hunter.
The silence.
The silence was, what about the silence?
And what was the question?
Oh, what was cool, weird, or hard? How was the experience for you? Relaxing. Do you think that this is something that you would do for yourself, just in moments when you're stressed? You just sit and breathe. Yeah. Maybe you come to one or two more cafes and we do it some more.
But he did say it. He said the silence was weird. I think we're not used to enough silence.
The silence was
What
weird.
I took from when
Yes, that is true. That is a good noticing. It is really hard for people to be silent because in our society, we're always looking for stimulation, for something to be on. In fact, many people feel lonely in silence, right? And will put something on to have background noise. But silence is actually really loud when you're in your own head. When you can go within. Go for it.
I feel like for me, as someone who's a lot, like even like my fingers, like not fidgeting is always the hardest part. Even when like I think I'm still and I'm moving one finger and I'm like, stop moving. So I felt like that was interesting.
Yeah, trying to have the body be still. So walking meditation might be a better thing for you to start with. That's your thing, okay. So you know what? The next session, we're gonna do a walking meditation. Okay, we got all this hallway. Okay, perfect. Anybody else want to share something about the experience before I go on? Okay, so here's a concrete support for you. Okay, so you can take this home, put it in your toolkit. Here's some apps to try. Okay, so one is Mindfulness. I swear I didn't make it up. That's what it's called, Mindfulness. And there's a very handsome sounding man that comes on in the beginning and he says, "Are you ready to get your mind right?" And I'm like, yes I am. I'm ready. Right? Another one is Insight Meditation Timer. Lots of different speakers, talks, meditations. I Am is a great app. It will remind you to say positive affirmations, or it will send them to you at a regular schedule on your phone. Black Girl Motivation, very same thing. Dharma Seed. And then if you decide that you might be interested in actually doing a little bit more, playing around with it, the Mindfulness and Health Institute offers free community programs. I really suggest it. They do a great yoga class too on Wednesdays. And it's all free. And then there's this new app, which I'm only just trying, 6. And it's linked to how you can build positive, like happiness traits throughout the day. Like it tells you when you need a boost of something and what to do to make yourself feel better. I don't know, it's very cool. All right, so, I'm not gonna let you go just walking out the door saying, that was great. can. I want you to commit. Okay? Yep. You can commit to what you're going to do to try to be more mindful. Are you going to try to use a box breath? Are you going to maybe take a class, get an app? Are you going to start to sit on the corner of your bed every morning with yourself? What do you commit to be? No, but you can't be like, no. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I pressed it by accident. Here we go. I commit to promoting mindfulness. You're welcome. Bye. I keep pressing this thing. Sorry. What will you commit to doing? And that's not for me, y'all. That's for you. It's going in your pocket. So when you get home and you reaching for your phone and your keys, you're going to get this little card. You're like, what? Oh, I did say I was going to do that. Put it up somewhere. I have a post-it opposite my toilet. And it says, I approve of myself. I say it to myself at least 3 times a day. So whatever you're committing to right now,